Since I started doing reaction videos, I've had some comments and some friends ask me, "What's your setup to do reaction videos? Like, how do you record the screen? How do you do the video? How do you set it up and get it all ready to edit?" So in this video, I'm going to show you my setup on how I record reaction videos. So first of all, I have my camera right here. It's a Canon G7X. This is just recording video. I have my Snowball microphone, which records my audio into the computer. I'm using a program called Camtasia, which I think I've had it so long I don't even remember how much it was, like 99 bucks. There's probably some free ones out there you can use, but I use this one. And what it does, it records the screen and the audio from the screen, and it also records on a separate track. So it records two different tracks. One track will be the video or the screen and the audio from the screen, and it records the audio from my microphone. So just for this example, I'm going to record a little bit of a video that is, so this is my other YouTube channel. Me and some friends of mine, Jose and Robbie, we have another channel called Caveman Critics, where we go around town and we rate food. So this is what this is. So I'll record a little bit of this. It's a hot day in Waco, Texas, and it's about to get hotter because we're at Blasian Asian for Food Truck Friday, and we're gonna get the spiciest thing on the menu. So that's that. So I've got my video here. I recorded my screen. I got my audio here. This is what I recorded. So this track up here is the audio. This track down here is the video plus the screen audio. So here's what I usually do first. First of all, I save it as whatever. I'm gonna call it Caveman Critics. So the project is saved. Now what I do is I delete the audio track. So this is just what was recorded on the screen. So what I do is I go to Share, Advanced Export, and I make sure to the file format to be MOV, because I use Final Cut Pro. Export it. Okay, so basically now what I recorded on the screen is now a separate file. Now the reason I don't want to export both tracks together is because it puts it together as one track, and then you can't adjust the audio when you edit. So what I do now is I hit Command Z, and that undoes, that does an undo basically. So then what I do is I delete the track that had the video. So now I have just the audio. This is the audio track. This is what I recorded earlier. Go to Share, Advanced Export. Then I'm just going to export it as a WAV file. So I'm exporting it just as an audio file. And then I'm going to Command Q, which is quit. Don't save because I've already saved it originally. If you're using Final Cut, this is what you do. So I have my library open up and start a new event. Set up for reaction video. Now this title might change, of course. Hit OK. Now I'm going to import two files. So here are the files. There's the WAV file, which is the audio that I'm going to use. I'm going to sync up to this camera. And then there is the MOV file, and I'm going to drag this over, and I'm going to import it into Final Cut. So now that the audio and video are transcoded and imported into Final Cut, select the video, which was recorded here on this camera. Select the audio that was recorded in the on the Camtasia. Right-click, synchronize clips. Use audio for synchronization. So what this does, it will combine both of these clips together. Drag it down to the timeline. Right here, storyline is the audio that is connected to the video. So you want to deselect that. So then the audio that you have left is just the audio from what was recorded through the microphone. So then I need to sync up the video that was recorded, what was recorded on the screen, which is this. And I go here, there you go, and then I hit enter. Hit endpoint, I mean. Video, that is, so this is my other YouTube channel. Me and some friends of mine, Jose and Robbie, we have another channel called Caveman Critics, where we go around town and we rate food. So this is what this is. So I drag it down. And this is the hard part. This is the part you need to sync it up. So I'll cut it here. Now everybody does this different, and I like to go scale about 65%, drag it down, crop off the top just a little bit, and then whatever the video is that I'm reacting to, chop that down to about 55%, then pull it up, and then the trick is to sync this video up with the audio, you know, sync them together. That's the hard part.
This, yeah.
I'll record a little bit of this.
It's a hot day in Waco, Texas, and it's about to get hotter because we're at Malaysian Asian for Truck Friday, and we're gonna get.
Yeah, you got to just kind of drag it back and forth. This is the tricky part. Now, when you're doing with music, it's a little bit easier because you can hear the beats and see right here is the waveform. And you can see where the spikes are on the audio, so it's a little easier to sync up. So, and then I'll just let it run.
This, yeah.
I'll record a little bit of this.
It's a hot day in Waco, Texas, and it's about to get hotter because we're at Malaysian Asian.
So once you have these two tracks synced up, then you're good to go. And you just
For Food Truck Friday, and we're gonna.
And if you want to cut something out, if you want to delete a section, always delete the bottom first, and then make sure to cut the same spot at the top. Delete it here, delete it there, and it'll pull it back. And presto, there you go. So that is how you do it. I hope this makes sense. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below, and also to make sure to subscribe to my channel. I do reaction videos, I do vlogs, I do music videos, do tutorial videos, I do all kinds of cool stuff. Make sure to subscribe and make sure to ring the bell so you can be notified when new videos are coming up. I try to put a new video out every 2 or 3 days, sometimes 2 a day. Depends on what I got going on. So, hope this helped, and we'll see you next time.